Welcome, my fellow Alexian. Welcome to Phase 2. We officially started Phase 2 around last night, and today we would like to bring a little bit more attention on how do you actually navigate around the Phase 2. But before you do anything, make sure you read the latest announcement in the announcement channel in the Alex Discord. So it's very important that you follow this exact instruction because of the file set and also the bug report form. We want everybody to use the file set correctly on the right network, not mainnet, not testnet. And also if you detected any bug, please make sure to use this link right here in the announcement and submit via the bug report. It's important that you do that so we can track every single bug and tackle, and also we know who actually submitted those bugs. Without further ado, I'll teach you all how to navigate around the version 2. So for those who miss out, we actually made an announcement on Twitter as well. So without further ado, let's go into the Phase 2. So in the Phase 2, you will notice your wallet is empty, except the TLX. If you participated Phase 1 correctly, you will have TLX in your wallet. Other than that, all your history and your activity will be refreshed back from zero. So when you're back here, whenever you are clicking, like you are trying to withdraw from the file set, before you click this, make sure your hero wallet, you are on the LX testnet. You want to make sure on an LX testnet, not testnet, not reg test, not mainnet, but on the LS testnet. For those who are wondering how to set up the setting, just check out the announcement. I have an image of it on how to actually set it up. So when you want to make sure the address you're putting here is ST, not SP. ST is the correct address, SP is the mainnet. It's very important that you do not miss out this important instruction because there's only one try. We don't want you to screw it up. So this is the new feature in Phase 2, which is adding liquidity to earn reward. So there will be two pools at the moment, which is WBTC, USDC, USDA, and then another one is WBTC and the yield token WBTC. So I'm going to teach you how to get the first one, and then I'm going to teach you how to get the second one. For the first one, what you need to do, you must have WBTC and USDA. So whenever you withdraw from the file set, you already have USDA and WBTC. And the way to do it is simply hover your mouse here and see the plus right here and click it here. And then you can add, okay, I want to add one WBTC, and it will tell you, okay, it requires 60,905.6 USDA. The amount shown here is dependent on how many BTC you're adding because it automatically calculates. So let's say I want to put 1.2, and then it will say 73,000. Then press preview. The portion of the pool will be 50-50. So to add this liquidity, you need 1.2 WBTC and 73,243 USDA. Then press confirm. So whenever this screen shows up, you want to make sure that you can see the STX right here. It's an indication that you're on the right network, and when you scroll down, the network also shows LX, not testnet, not mainnet. Then press confirm. Let it wait for a little bit. Okay, the transaction is successful. Then yes, you have the LP token right here already. So I put around 2.19. I already added some liquidity earlier. You can actually see in your wallet that you have the LP tokens over here. FWP, WPTC, USDA 50-50. This is the LP token that you have in your wallet. You want to make sure that you can see it here. At the same time, you can also see it here. So for the next one, which is this WBTC, UWBTC 34560. To get UWBTC, you need to go to the borrow deposit page. Okay. Once you're right here, hover your mouse down to here where you want to land. You press deposit your BTC. So I'm gonna deposit 1 BTC. Let it load for a little bit. Okay, calculating everything. Continue. Maturity date November 21, 10.75 APY. Then press confirm. Make sure on LX network, press confirm. Okay, this is where you land out your BTC. And once you land out your BTC, you will get a U token, which is, let this transaction confirm first. Press OK. And once you do that, you go to your hero wallet. You can see it right here. U WBTC 34560 Okay, once you already have this, you go to liquidity, and then you go to this one and click add liquidity. So you have 1.969 UBTC, then you press around like, okay, I'm gonna add max. Then you only will use 0.14 of this token, then press preview, then the portion is 80-20, 80% which is WBTC, 20% which is the U token, and press confirm. Scroll down and then press confirm, then let it wait, and then the transaction should be ready. Okay, successful. So that's how you add liquidity for WBTC USDA and also WBTC with the U WBTC token. When you want to double check, do you have it? Just go to your wallet, scroll down, and you should see over here YTB UWBTC 3450 WBTC. And this is the amount of LP token you have for the second pool, and the LP token for the first pool will be this one. So I hope you enjoyed the testnet on phase 2. Let us know if there's any issue, and remember, use the right network and also use the bug report form in the announcement. I hope you have a great time, and I'll see you all soon.